Hello everyone. Today we will know about virtual machine, which is most well-known operating system nowadays. So let's get started. Probably you are thinking it's close to virtual reality box. That's it's not actually right because of both are different. So let's talk about the virtual machines. So now question is, what is virtual machine? A virtual machine is the virtualization or emulation of the computer system. A virtual machine are based on computer architect and provide the functionality of just like the physical computer. Well, a virtual machine is kind of a like pretend as a physical computer or guest PC that run on your real computer as a host. Is why we want to do that, because you can install here other operating system just like maybe an older version of the Windows, or want to experiment with Linux. Maybe you can download or install older version of the software. You can frequently do any kind of the experiment over there because there is no chances to damage of your real PC. Let's know about how virtual machine works. A virtual machine works by emulating a complete computing environment on top of the physical hardware. This emulation is managed by the hypervisor, which allocates the hardware resources like CPU and memory. Each VM has its own operating system and applications running independently of the other VM on the same host. Let's talk about our next topic. Well, virtual machine offer isolated computing environment on your shared physical hardware. VM is encapsulated, meaning it has its own set of file. This encapsulation makes VMs more portable and easier to manage. Virtualized physical hardware component like CPUs, memory, storage, and network interfaces. And lastly, independency. A user can transfer a virtual machines to any physical server. This caters to make greater business continuity. This video only for what is virtual machine. If you want to know more about it and installation process, stay connected with this YouTube channel, and where you will get more authentic wisdom about networking, CommShare, and also the troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn a lot.